Welcome to Bhima Falls. Tucked away in the Javadu Hills, this is one of the nearby travelers' favorite spots to cool off and just relax in nature. And the best part? It's only about 80 kilometers from Thiruvannamalai, perfect for a quick one-day trip. Now, here's the cool part. The falls are actually linked to the Mahabharata. Legend says this place is named after Bhima, one of the Pandava brothers. Apparently, he even worshipped the sun god right here, and some believe the Pandavas themselves visited during their exile. So, between the refreshing waters, the peaceful surroundings, and the epic stories tied to it, Bhima Falls is definitely more than just a waterfall. It's like stepping into nature and history at the same time. As we're walking along, suddenly, right in the middle of the path, a tree branch painted to look like a snake. There was a time when Bhima Falls wasn't as safe as it is today. Incidents of accidents did happen before the forest department stepped in. But now, with proper care and safety measures in place, visitors can explore without worry. Iron fencing now surrounds the area, so you can enjoy the raw power and beauty of Bhima Falls with complete peace of mind. This is Bhima Falls, a sight to behold, especially during the rainy season, when the cascade roars to life at its fullest and most spectacular. At the base, a natural pool forms, almost inviting you to step in and feel the cool splash of the falls. And during monsoon, when the water surges wider and stronger, the waters don't just appear for a brief moment either, they flow gracefully for more than 8 months of the year, making it a dependable retreat for nature lovers all around. Locals say, we've been living here since childhood. This is where Bhima, Arjuna, and the others once stayed. The forest around is filled with medicinal plants, adding yet another layer of richness to this land. The journey to Bhima Falls is just as memorable as reaching the falls. Along the trail, the forest feels alive, full of sights, sounds, and that fresh scent in the air, as if nature is preparing to rain. What makes this place special is that you can enjoy it your own way. Sit quietly and listen to nature's voice, play around with childlike energy, or relive childhood moments on the two swings waiting here. Bhima Falls is still developing, so facilities are limited. There are no food stalls or restaurants nearby, so it's best to carry your own food and water if you plan to stay longer. But that also keeps the surroundings clean and unspoiled, no plastic waste, no city noise. Just nature in its purest form, waiting to be enjoyed. The waters of Bhima Falls come down from the Javadu Hills, and the locals believe they're special, enriched by the herbs and minerals of the forest. Some even say the water carries medicinal properties. One of the staff here proudly shared, "We don't fall sick because we bathe in this water." And while the falls invite everyone to enjoy a refreshing deep, safety is well taken care of. Forest personnel are always on duty, keeping a close watch, especially to ensure comfort and security for women and children. Basic facilities like toilets and changing rooms are also in place, making the visit not just beautiful, but comfortable too. The forest surrounding Bhima Falls is alive with wildlife. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of spotted deer moving gracefully through the trees, or even a sloth bear wandering in its natural habitat. And of course, the vibrant calls of peacocks often echo through the hills, adding a touch of magic to the setting. All of this together makes the falls not just a place of water and rock, but a living, breathing world of nature.